Hey YouTube, this is one of those videos where I know I'm going to end up forgetting how I did this, Google it, and land back on my video to remember how to do it. So as you know in the title, it's basically how do I separate out all these audio files because I want to be able to access them a little easier. If I go like this, go show in Finder, they're just showing the project file, the Logic project file, instead of the individual files. I want to be able to see like where is 022230406 blah 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 .aif. Where is that file? So the way to get because this project was handed to me from someone else and they had their setting for it and I want to convert it to the way I like to work, if you go to the project media tab here, select all, Command A, however you like to do that, go to audio file and say move 30 files out of project. It'll say, where do you want them to go? I just create a new folder. This one's called Shoelace and Media, just so I remember where it is, but obviously you could put it wherever you want. Create that, say choose. It does some stuff in the background, I assume. Then now when I go pick one of these files, say show file in Finder, boom, there's all the files. So now I can, if I want to do some audio cleanup maybe on one of these files, or just mess around with it in some way, replace it, etc., delete it, whatever you want to do, it's out of the project file and on its own in its own folder. So there's a quick tip for Logic Pro. And hey, me from the past or future, I don't know how that works. Anyways, you're welcome, Chris from the future. Bye.